Hi guys, it's Kirsten Keener here, just doing this week's CRA, which is empathy and our personal leadership visions. So I looked through, a lot of people's definitions of empathy and stuff, and most of them were quite similar to mine, which, is like understanding and kind of relating to somebody else's emotional state, given the context for the situation that they're perhaps in and stuff. Though somebody was different than mine, which were saying that they thought the definition of empathy was going completely out of your way to understand and feel someone. And I hadn't quite thought of it in that way, because that almost feels like you're kind of forcing yourself to do it. However, I understand kind of what they're trying to get across. And I think that could shape a little bit of how I would perhaps understand empathy, because that's almost something that while you're not quite forcing yourself to do it, you're certainly putting yourself into the situation of feeling empathetic with them, if that makes sense. Like, turn on the news recently, and you see all of these stories, obviously almost 24/7, about the coronavirus, and you will get at least one story in the evening news about the nurses and stuff, and you feel empathy for them, and that will happen regardless when you turn on the news. And so I kind of understand, almost with you being almost forcing yourself or going out of your way to understand the situation and stuff that they are involved with. And I think that could help me to revise my leadership vision just a little bit when thinking about that, because I think empathy is really a good thing to have with your leadership, because yeah, again, it helps you to feel and kind of understand the situation that somebody is going through, while even you yourself aren't quite doing that exact situation. And that would help a lot with being in situations and stuff that you are unfamiliar with, and dealing with people that you're not used to either. All right, that's it. Thank you guys.